Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to create an email campaign in MailerLite. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to MailerLite.com. We're going to sign in and go to our dashboard. And from here on the left-hand side of the screen, click Forms. It says Create Your First Pop-Up. So hit Create, and then it'll have a name for the forum that you're creating. And then there are three options: a pop-up, an embedded form, or a promotion. We're going to hit pop-up and then hit save and continue. And then select your subscriber group, select our customers group, and then continue. And then you get to choose a template for what you want the pop-up to look like. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one here and hit choose. And here you can edit your pop-up to look and say whatever you want it to do. We're going to hit done editing. And then it'll ask you about the behavior of your pop-up. You can wait 5 seconds before showing the pop-up, or show when the user has scrolled down halfway down the page, or show before closing the page. And you can set the frequency and schedule for your pop-up and visibility options. But we're just going to hit save changes for now. And then it's going to bring you to a page that has your JavaScript tracking snippet, and you're going to copy and paste this onto your website. You can click the copy button to get it copied, then hit continue. And so here we have our first form. We're going to go over to campaigns and click that. And you can create your first email campaign. So let's hit create. And there are a few options. You can have a regular campaign, an A/B split campaign, RSS, auto resend campaign, or a multivariate campaign. For now, we're just going to use a regular campaign. And you can type in the name of the campaign, a subject for it, the sender and the email, a header if you want, and the recipients. We're going to click on select recipients, and then select all active subscribers and hit submit. Next, click on next content. And here you can choose a drag and drop editor, a rich text editor, or a custom HTML editor. We're going to use the drag and drop editor. And here you can write whatever you want to send to your subscribers, edit it, change the colors, do whatever you want to do to make it yours. Then you're going to hit save and then done editing. And now you review and schedule it. Just select send in the bottom right hand corner. And there you have it. We've set up a form and a new campaign email. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.